welcome to my channel. And for this video, we will be reacting to
Subway Olympics with BTS
on Jimmy Fallon.
yeah, Jimmy Fallon. It's like
It's a Tonight Show in the US.
yeah, Tonight Show in the US. Yes, with my family. Yes, guys. So we will be starting in 3, 2, 1.
That's the Subway, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Soul 7 is out now. They're going to do a giant performance at Grand Central later in the show. Right now, I want to challenge you guys to a little friendly competition. It's time for the Subway Olympics. Let's do it.
Let's see right there.
Yeah.
What kind of games?
Round 1. Protect the duck. Each player must balance a rubber duck on the back of their hand. Try to knock off the other player's duck without losing control of your own.
Oh.
Jimmy versus Jimmy.
Jimmy versus Jimmy.
Jimmy versus Jimmy.
Go! Hey, my son.
Hi. Hey, my son.
Jimmy wins. Jungkook versus Sugar.
Oh, Cookie is really competitive. Oh! See that? Because Jungkook is really competitive.
Sure
Yeah.
good.
Jungkook wins.
You went too aggressive.
Versus Jin. Sino kaya? Ay! Oh, yeah! Hi!
See? Jin the trickster. He's a trickster. See?
Oh, nagulas.
See, Jin's a trickster.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I told you.
We'll see if we still that.
It's so easy for me.
Round 2. Dance your shades and gloves off. The first player to fling off their shades and gloves by furiously dancing.
This is really fun.
Yes.
Jimmy versus Jungkook.
Go, Cookie! See? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Jungkook wins. Jin versus
Oh.
Oh,
what?
Jin won.
Oh,
Jin
yes,
won.
Jin.
Only like one?
Yeah, that's one
Yes, ang
fling.
galing.
Yeah.
Oo, galing na natin.
Jin. Galing ni Jin!
Final round.
Final round.
Post-it challenge. Get as many post-its on your body as you can in 15 seconds.
Oh.
Jin versus Jungkook.
Go cooking! I like Jungkook outfit. Look. Thank you. Come on!
Ay,
It looked
ah,
like,
Jungkook,
kind of looks like
maybe.
Jungkook.
Yes, it's Jungkook. Oh, marami kay Jungkook.
Jimmy, look Jimmy. Look Jimmy. Look Jimmy.
Oh, he's cheating.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24.
Oh.
Yay! Even Jimin's got cheated at the end. Like
New York Daddy, come on.
Jimmy!
Jimmy always cheating.
But even though Jimin did that, if he didn't do that, Jungkook's still gonna win
Oh,
for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Yeah.
Seemed
Looks
like
like
it,
it, yeah.
You're saying this, and another guy who does not know walks in the opposite direction, looks you up and down and goes, "No, you're not." Neither of them stop walking. Happy New York.
Ay, ito, Katz. Katz. Deli.
This is
Ay,
the
basta to.
BTS
S and
Jimmy
Jimmy
serve
serve.
Katz Deli pastrami sandwiches in New York City.
Looks good, nakakatakam.
Katzi.
So
Katzi.
let's see
Let's
how
see.
Jungkook gonna feel about this.
Looks good naman yan, nakakagutom.
Ay, wow.
Okay. Oh, looks good.
Ay.
Wow!
Ah, that looks good.
Oh, salami.
They love those kind of food.
And that is Katz's Deli. That's where we are. It's the best food. It's been around for many generations. How old is here? I'll let Jake, the owner, talk to you about this. Jake?
Oh, he's the owner.
Welcome, guys. So, we've been here 132 years.
What?
Yeah, we're known for salami, corned beef, brisket, turkey, matzo ball soup. We're gonna feed the crap out of you.
Turkey.
Can I say that? No, no.
Yeah, you can say that.
All right.
You can say that. Also, have you ever seen When Harry Met Sally?
No. Harry? Really? No, there's a famous scene in that movie.
That's famous restaurant. So it's in that movie. This is famous place. The one and only Katz is. Let's get some food. Let's do it. Yeah.
I know about that movie, but
Oh,
I don't
really?
think I watched it. Oh.
Wow, looks good. Anong oras na nag-film and then I'm saying this kind of
Salami.
Food.
Sandwich.
kakagutom.
Yeah, that's yours.
Ay,
Wow!
ang dami pa naman.
Oh, you like those food. I know.
But no veggies. No veggies. No. Are you kidding me? No.
You know.
Uy, sarap naman yata yan.
Put some mustard on the today.
Ketchup, you don't really.
What is the go-to food in Korea? Spicy fried chicken. What if you like late at night you feel like having a snack? Chicken.
A chicken. Like crash landing on you.
Oh, chicken and beer, oh.
Oh, like crash landing on you.
That's a Korean thing, chicken and beer. That's what Koreans like to eat.
Oh.
Always chicken and beer.
Okay, so I need your help making these sandwiches. I need you on.
Now they're gonna try making us
Mm.
sandwiches.
Yeah, so you gotta use the back of the knife like that. Nice, beautiful.
Whoa.
Beautiful pieces of meat like that, right?
Oh,
So.
Can you give us some here, please?
That's real
Yeah.
pastrami.
Look at that. It's hanging there. There. What's those?
Yeah.
Like sausages?
Salami.
Salami or whatever. BTS made it for you. Please give us some here. BTS made that.
Eh, sarap.
I like this show.
Good work.
You are going to perform at Grand Central right now, tonight. That's legendary. So enough of the sandwiches. Let's go to Grand Central and put on a show. Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Frankie Woods, and this is my subway story. I was on the subway.
These are subway stories in New York.
Yeah, yeah.
The baby had a pacifier in his mouth. The pacifier fell out of the baby's mouth onto the floor of the subway car. The baby bent down, picked it up, went like this, and put it back in the baby's mouth.
Oh.
I thought to myself, either that baby is going to drop dead right here, or that baby will live to be 1,000 years old because he's now immunized from every germ on the planet.
Yeah, that's
So I
right.
dropped the whole diamond on the floor of the subway
What?
car.
I don't
Just stay
understand.
there.
Because I think it's a known thing that the floor of the subways in New York are probably one of the most dirtiest
Yeah,
in the
Yeah.
city, I think. So that's why he made a joke about
yeah. Yeah, the baby's gonna get immune.
yeah because it's that like there's every single germ on the
Ew,
floor.
even though,
I guess 5-second rule.
even though, but you know,
Oh, ang dami kayang sumasakay sa subway.
If it's not more than 5 seconds, there's no germs.
I can even imagine
Lalo na
putting that in
baby.
baby's mouth. It's just really,
Yes.
I wouldn't put that.
cause it's baby. Even kahit hindi sila baby.
Oh,
But maybe she didn't want the baby crying.
Yeah, that's true. He doesn't have a choice, right? Maybe he
Yeah.
had
They didn't-
still.
So they were going to do a performance at the Grand
Yeah, yeah,
Central
yeah.
Station in New York, but
Oh,
we'll be
at the
reacting,
wow.
hotel.
we'll be reacting to that next time.
Yeah, next time, guys,
Oh,
just
What's up?
yeah, watch
I
out. Yeah, just
Next time.
What do you think about them on Jimmy Fallon? I really like the challenges and the stuff.
Yeah, I like
Yes.
everything. I like what I watched. It's just
They
enjoying.
like the food too.
Yeah, nakakagutom. What time is it now? Ngayon nagpipil kami like
Like I'm hungry
12:40.
again.
Yes.
It's now 12:42 a.m. and we watched that and we got hungry. I got hungry. And it really looks delicious, like really authentic,
Yeah,
right?
put some
Authentic.
mustard on that.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and then I like the games, and then
Oh, wow.
yes, and Jungkook won to that game.
The highlight for me is how Jin is just a total trickster.
Yeah.
He's a total trickster.
Kaya
Yeah.
nagulat si Suga eh.
And I like Jin's also like competitive also.
Mm.
Yeah.
His competitiveness is
Competitive, yeah.
being a trickster. He
Yeah.
tricks you and gets and wins because he tricked you. He
Mhm.
tricked J-Hope there. He thought he hit him. J-Hope was
Yeah.
concerned, but it was a fake.
Yeah, you got that.
Yeah,
I
see,
don't really.
because just like in the last videos we reacted.
I don't really
to.
notice that, even though that you saw that it's
Yeah.
kind of fast to me. So that's why I didn't really
Yeah,
notice
I saw that.
it. So
Just
yeah.
like in 7 BTS betrayals.
Yeah, that we
Jin
watched.
also
yeah,
tricked. There was
earlier.
a scene where Jin tricked Jimin, right?
Yeah.
So he's a trickster.
Now we know that Jin's a trickster. Every
Yeah.
time they have a game like those kind of games.
That's how he plays.
Yeah, they have a different attitude every time they have a they
B
have
likes to
do a
betray.
game.
B likes to betray. Jin's a trickster.
Tsaka
And then
si V,
yes,
matechnic din.
yeah, Jungkook is competitive.
Yeah,
as
Jungkook's just competitive.
always.
Uy,
yes.
si V nga, ang bilis, ang dali, ganyan, ang bilis ng kamay
Yeah.
niya eh.
V's
Yeah.
Si V?
also.
Yes.
He's
Yeah, V is smart.
Oo, yes.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Smart.
Yeah.
Mm.
Di ba? For a
Ang
long,
bilis eh.
yeah,
Ang
for a
bilis
long
ng V
months
eh.
that we're reacting to them,
Mm.
we're getting to know them more and more and more and
Yes.
more.
And love
Deeply.
them.
Yes, yes. So yes, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this vid and see you to my next BTS reaction video, guys, with my family. Watch, like, subscribe if you haven't yet. And yes, guys, see you sa susunod na video. And don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe. Did I say that? Like this? Did I say
No,
that
no
already?
pa.
Yes, please watch, like, and subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na!
Oh.
And click the bell button para ikaw ay laging notificated. And yes, guys, ingat palagi and God bless you all.
Yes.
Bye!
Ingat, Army! Love you, BTS!
We love you!